Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Minced and join me in another series of cooking a part of this giant cabbage. Behold the mighty cabbage making its grand entrance. This time, we'll have a part of the giant cabbage plus minced pork into the superheroes of this weekend dish. Let's saute the garlic until slightly golden brown and add the onion until turned translucent. Here comes the minced pork, ready to be the sidekick in our savory escapade. They're like Batman and Robin, but tastier. It's raining seasoning. If some prefer to put fish sauce, in my case, I'd rather put the salt. Apart from salting it a few hours before cooking, it allows the salt to draw out some of the internal moisture, which is then reabsorbed into the meat with the salt. So cooking is like a comedy show, where the ingredients have a mind of their own. Let the sizzling symphony begin. The cabbage and minced pork are dancing a tasty tango in the pan. Place some red bell pepper, though this is optional. Bell peppers are packed with essential vitamins and minerals, also an excellent source of vitamin C. Time for the ultimate taste test showdown. Ta-da! The sauteed cabbage and minced pork extravaganza is served. The superhero duo that saved the weekend dish.